Ooh, I think I'll choose Wonder Woman.
Okay. Why?
Sige, you can have Superman na lang. You know what? That was the first Superman movie I enjoyed.
You didn't like the Justice League or
No, not so much.
Superman?
Superman versus Batman. Lalong no. With the one with Wonder Woman, no, I didn't like it. This
How
one
about-
was really good. This one
How
was
about the Christopher Reeve ones?
Oh, well, I was a kid. Of course, I liked that. But, this one was pretty good.
Parang it's like the best modern Superman
Yes.
movie you've seen.
What did you think of the actor?
Of what? Superman?
Superman, the one
Si
you
David
just saw.
Corn Sweat.
Yeah, that guy. You keep on talking about him like you don't like him.
The first time I saw him kasi it was in Twister. In Twisters, the
We
sort
didn't even
of...
get to watch that.
I watched it.
Why didn't you watch it with me?
So I first saw David Corn Sweat in Twister.
Okay.
I didn't like him kasi medyo kontrabida yung character niya doon.
talaga?
And parang I kept telling you kanina, di ba? He
Yeah.
has such a punchable face.
Yeah.
I still stand by that opinion.
You know what? I think he's a good dramatic actor. I mean, after seeing Superman, now I've never seen him in any other movie, but his acting here was pretty good. I liked it.
Punch, 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 punch.
Wow.
My hand is just like the movie.
Wow.
Daming punching sa movie na to.
Yeah, that was a lot of punching. That was very satisfying.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And you know what I liked about this movie? It had funny moments.
Mhm.
DC doesn't do funny well. Diba? As
Super.
like when they do their movies, they really don't. Marvel was like the laugh king.
Yeah.
Like laugh trip king. But now it's nice. I mean, it has funny moments, especially with Crypto the dog in it.
Hmm.
And then it has really touching moments, which I'm very surprised that they were able to pull those off. Gusto ko siya. I liked it. It made DC real for me because I didn't even like Wonder Woman. Can you believe that? I love Gal Gadot.
Gadot.
Gadot? Fine.
I will purchase this. Or the battery this na lang.
Kainis to.
Ba't nainis ka na naman?
Ba't mo kinukuha yung gusto ko? So what did you think of Lois Lane in this movie?
Love the character.
Yeah. You love the character?
Hindi ko gusto masyado yung mukha, but I love how she played the journalist.
Really?
Yeah.
Hindi mo gusto yung mukha niya? I think
not-
she's like the prettiest Lois Lane in the other movie, medyo the Lois Lane was kind of, well, I guess she was pretty, the one before this.
I don't even
You don't
remember.
remember? See, she's faceless. I just remembered na parang pretty naman siya.
Si Rachel Brosnahan, her face has character, pero hindi ko siya type. Not,
Hindi
I mean,
siya
physically hindi.
But she's
Pero-
not,
But
She's
I
not
love
that
how she played the hard-hitting
Yeah.
journalist
she's good.
na, yeah, she pretty good.
Yeah.
And,
What?
tinapatan niya si Clark, as in, a good foil.
Good sexy scene too, huh?
Yeah.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Yeah, that was hot.
Okay. So when you play your first equipment, so this says reveal the top card of your deck.
Okay.
Okay. Tapos ongoing, when you play your first equipment, do I draw the top card?
Speaking of equipment, I was pleasantly surprised
What?
with that character, si Mr. What? Mr. Terrific.
Terrific, yeah. I
I've
thought
never
I've
seen
never
him in
encountered him.
comics because I was more of a
Yeah.
Marvel guy, so hindi ako familiar with him.
I thought it was really good.
From the trailers, I thought he'd be some
5. I'm gonna get 5.
stupid character, pero
Yeah.
not a bad, and his gear is top
Yeah.
notch.
Mr. Terrific was pretty terrific.
Yeah,
No?
I think he had the best one-liners.
Yeah.
In one word, how would you characterize the movie?
It's several words.
What are those words?
It's funny. It's touching. Heck, you cried in one scene.
Anong one? I
A few.
kept tearing up. No?
Yeah, you were tearing up. You were tearing up at the father-son talk.
All the time, any movie.
Oh my God, you were like wiping away your tears, and I was
And when
like,
you'd ask me a question, and I tried to speak. And ang hirap kasi mapapasama ko nun eh. I'm ano, what's the word of Mrs. Kent?
What? You're
Hindi sap.
you're mush.
Yeah, I'm mush.
Yeah. He's
I'm
mush.
Yeah. 5. I will
What?
get Gorilla Grodd.
You got the
Ba't hindi mo kinuha?
What hindi mo kinuha? It came out after I
Oh,
Nakakainis ka talaga.
mainis, it's just a game. Sa akin, my one word would be heart. Knox Heart. I think the movie was all heart.
Well,
Yung
that's true.
the last few movies with Henry Cavill, they were action flicks. Parang kulang siya sa emotional beats. It's the comedy writers who can really pull emotion out of their material.
Why? Why do you say that?
I think it takes a depth of emotion to be truly funny. Kasi James Gunn is a funny writer.
Okay.
Ang ganda ng hugot niya from his script. Ang ganda na pinagawa niya sa actors niya. Yun, I think it's full of heart. All of the emotional beats were there. Kaya nga, mush ako. I kept tearing up.
Now you were just tearing up whenever we talked to his dad.
Hindi lang yun. I mean,
Where else? And
every time the original Superman theme came up,
oh really?
nagaganon ako. Oo.
No, you were tearing up also in the last part where they were playing his
Yeah, the memories.
Yeah.
Yung he likes to watch videos of his parents.
Yeah.
Diba? Galing ng moment na yun.
galing. Yeah, galing nun. Kasi parang, I think the message of the movie is, you make yourself who you are.
Yeah.
So that was nice. Aside from, your parents kind of make you who you are, like how you grew up kind of makes you who you are, but really, you choose who you are eventually.
Yeah.
Okay, so now,
I didn't become a doctor.
I didn't become a nurse.
6.
Okay.
He wanted you to be a nurse?
Yeah.
Another thing that I liked about the movie was it didn't try to make you forget that you were watching a comic book movie. Yeah, small things like Superman rescuing the squirrel. Diba? I mean, in the comics, he's such a Boy Scout.
Yeah.
In the more recent modern...
Actually, I thought that he could have put better use to his time. I mean, when they did that, I just said, oh, really? But you know what? It was a cute touch. Nagpa-cute sila dun.
This is Board Game Vickery.